AMD Ryzen 7000 CPU powered HP all-in-one desktop PC is confirmed launching in 2022. HP has once again listed unreleased and next-generation hardware such as HP confirms AMD Ryzen 7000 CPUs for its all-in-one desktop PCs launching early 2022. Previously, HP listed down NVIDIA's GeForce RTX 30 Super Series graphics cards for its high-end 34-inch AIO desktop PCs. Now the company has confirmed that it will be launching its 24 and 27-inch AIO PC lineup in both AMD Ryzen 7000 and Intel 12th Gen Alder Lake CPU flavors. This is also the first time that we have seen the AMD Ryzen 7000 CPU lineup listed, which means that AMD might be skipping the Ryzen 6000 CPU nomenclature altogether and go two steps ahead with Ryzen 7000 branding. As stated above, the HP 24 and 27-inch AIO desktop PCs come in Intel 12th Gen Alder Lake or AMD Ryzen 7000 CPU flavors, feature up to 1TB PCI Express SSD and 2TB hard disk and Full HD display, a camera and dual speakers. The AIO PC will come in white and black colors and rock the Windows 11 operating system. The AMD Ryzen 7000 series listed for the HP 24 and 27-inch AIO desktop PCs might be RAM branded CPUs instead of Gen 4 chips. Because Rafael is almost a year away from launch, if AMD goes with the Ryzen 7000 series for both its next-gen Ryzen CPU and APU lineup, that would include the AMD Ryzen 7000G APU rebranded and Ryzen 7000 Warmer 3DX chips. It is unlikely to see these all-in-one PCs rocking desktop chips, so a mobility chip like the next-gen rebranded APUs is more likely. The two key technologies that will power a rebranded will be new Gen 3 Plus CPU and RDNA 2 GPU architecture. The rebranded APUs are said to be fabricated on the TSMC 6nm process node, which is an optimized version of the N7 process. Other prominent feature of the rebranded Ryzen APUs from AMD will include support for PCI Gen 4 and LPDDR5 memory support. The rebranded APUs will feature up to DDR5 5200 memory support, 20 PCI Express Gen 4 lanes and 2 USB 4 40GB base ports. As per the roadmap, the rebranded APUs will feature support on the FP7 platform. AMD is expected to announce its rebranded APU lineup Ryzen 7000H and Ryzen 7000U during CES 2022 and will go up against Intel's Alder Lake P and Alder Lake M chips, which are expected to be unveiled later this year, with solutions arriving early next year. And we will keep you updated as soon as we hear more on AMD Ryzen 7000 CPU and APU lineup. So thanks for watching. If you like this video, please subscribe and press the bell icon for future notifications update.